Hey guys, top of the morning to you. Shaph Sassy here, owner and founder of So Sassy Makeup and PMU Studios, as well as Sassyversity, Jamaica's very first 7-day lash course. Now today I am doing something that I have always wanted to do, which was to attend a gun range. Now you have many gun ranges in Jamaica, but I am at the one up by Stony Hill, being accompanied. Well, my friend invited me. His name is Kirk, and you know, he's gonna bust some gun, and yeah. So before we go any further, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. It's festive over here, and it's gonna get real festive when we start popping them guns. Guys, from a come here, I'm gonna shut my ear. So I'm excited about that because, you know, I just hope that I don't get come hot week easy for frightened, you know. So my friend Kirk is trying to get some rounds for me. So when I come back, when him come back, I guess so I end up get some more details on that. But let me show you guys my outfit. I try to be really cute. This is a gun round. Yeah. I'm frightened, so if it's maybe behave away, then you know, say yeah. Yeah, so this is the gun round. He actually makes holsters, so I think this is a holster part, holster part. It can actually come off, and this here is the bullets. Let me take out one. Ooh. Try and flip. I'm not doing anything. I'm just fooling around this
Next year.
holster thingy. I took it out. I took this out already, and I was playing around the
Yeah, but you turn it wrong.
Oh, I did?
Yeah. So yeah.
Right, okay, it was much easier.
Imagine somebody tried to post something the wrong.
Shut up.
No problem.
Shut up, Kirk. Alright guys, let me show y'all the outfit. Okay. I didn't know you were talking to me.
Right.
Listen.
Yeah, no for that again.
This is Kirk. This is Kirkpatrick. My friend. We're here at the range together. Yes.
Right.
Yeah, right. So
Don't put in a friend zone, brethren. The rough thing.
anyways, so why are you doing this?
Just give them.
The view, right? Okay. Yeah, so it's really beautiful out here.
Look at it. Nice ambience.
It's beautiful. Very, very beautiful out here. Alright, back to us. So how much rounds?
We're at about 30 today.
30 rounds. That means 30 bullets.
Yes.
And we have to do it in layman terms for the people who don't know anything like myself about it. So
I'm drunk.
So right, I'm going to read the track. I don't want to go in there and people them afraid for bust them room because I'm frightened. That would not be cute.
You'll be good.
So we're going to be, what are some of the things we're going to be shooting at?
Mostly plates.
Plates?
Very small targets.
Plates?
Yes.
Okay.
Metals. Stuff that go pang. It will have a lot of fun. You will enjoy yourself today.
You're going to please ensure that I enjoy myself.
Definitely. We can set up a course for you.
Okay.
So after this, we're gonna meet a friend.
Okay. Alrighty. I'm feeling. These are heavy as hell. How much these?
30.
Oh, these are mine.
Yes.
Ah! Hey, hey, hey. Come, because you don't have a camera in my hand. These are my billets. I'm gonna keep one for for your head, just in case you try to. Just in case. Nah, that's a joke. I don't even know how to fire this thing good. Nothing else. I think I'm getting used to these gunshots. I'm not jumping anymore. So that's a good sign. So you're going to put them in there?
I can make you do it. You know what? You should do it.
Yeah.
Not everybody like them.
Yeah, no. You hit them?
Don't find out what that's.
So am I the trainer?
It's not a train.
The Russ?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Shoo! Sorry. Apparently they're different areas because I see a lot of people everywhere. I'm now going to read the instructions here. What is that? Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Eye and ear protection must be worn by each person entering the shooting range. No exceptions. Okay. Always assume that guns are loaded. Never put one finger. Alright, you know what? I need to yeah. Always assume all guns are loaded. Never put your finger.
Show them.
Eh?
You know, I show them.
May I show them? Put your finger on the trigger until your sights are on the target. Okay. Know your target. Properly identify it. Know what's beyond and to the sides of your target. Never have the muzzle of your gun. Where's the muzzle?
The front that the bullet fly from.
Okay. Muzzle of your gun point at anything you are not willing to destroy or kill. So you think you are worth being destroyed today? I'm joking. That's I don't want you to feel like I'm a killer, you know.
I feel so.
Shut up. Always, always conduct yourself in a mature. Oop, have we been
Yeah.
being very mature?
They're not talking about you in person. I'm talking about with the firearm itself.
Okay,
All the safety rules are about firearm.
right.
Not about if you want to hook up your man.
Okay, all right.
You know what I mean?
No, we're not. I got my money. No money. Nobody.
You never say I hook up. Okay.
Okay.
You know, come here range with a friend, so.
Yeah, right. So I know, but I'm saying, like, anyway, we can't really focus straight. So let me just read
Alright,
this.
so
No
I
one
call a
is
friend in the
allowed
school
to
later.
touch or handles anyone handle anyone's firearm or equipment without permission. Okay.
Come, you can go around, right? Shot
Okay.
firing.
Okay.
So you can get an hands on.
Okay. Can you
Shot
put this in your
fire.
pocket, please?
Thank you.
Yeah, cause it's hella. Oh God, I wish I had some earmuffs, cause boy.
I have grown-ups. You can use the
Oh wow, I have in my headphones, so that don't feel so bad.
So they call these the round circle trees. Is those little thing are like limbs. So once you hit them, it just fly over the next side.
Right.
So all those up there are steel plates. Cardboard target.
Cardboard.
Yeah, it's just a silhouette of your body. So
Right.
you have the very top, which is the head, shoulder, the mass
Knees
center.
and toes.
Yeah. You can shoot at anything. You just have to know how to shoot.
So you think it will ricochet back on us?
No. These steel plates don't ricochet back. They're just the impact. You see like the dent?
Yes, I see the dent.
Yeah. So it absorbs the bullet.
And let it go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ricochet can happen on the other part of the steel though. But it's not gonna ricochet to come back at you because the plate drop afterwards.
Okay, I hope that's what actually happens.
Alright, so behind the range it's sand heap. Very bullets can't penetrate that to go and hit something beyond the range. So
Well, I can't focus. Hold on, just give me a second.
And
All
that's
right,
the
start
next
now.
thing. This
Calm down. You
yeah.
just calm down, right?
It's all
I know
about composure.
it's a lot. A lot for me.
I know. Welcome.
But I'm excited.
It's very nice.
Yeah. All right. So, any more tips
Just don't be jumpy.
to shoot?
Yeah.
Aim.
Aim. Have the target in sight and pull the trigger. Don't grab it. I will teach you that.
Okay. All right.
It's nice. It's fun.
It seems fun. Okay.
You jumpy though.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to
You know what usually help?
get used to what usually helps.
Drink some of this.
Okay. Drink some tropical rhythm.
That helps. That's a young lady over there going good, so.
Yeah, she had tear up the place with shots.
So number one. This is my friend coming.
It's called a magazine. Yeah. Come give me something, let me load it up.
And they call these cartridges.
Cartridges.
Yeah,
which is the bullet.
Yeah.
Right. So how you put them in here now?
Jamaicans call it rounds. So you hold it like this. You grab one like this and push it down. Oh, go ahead.
Hi.
Yeah, see you.
Okay, so he says he's gonna clear the firearm. What does that mean?
Take out the bullets.
Meaning I go shoot it?
No. Empty the gun. Clear the bullets out the gun.
Okay, so how much how much bullet the gun hold?
Depends on the size magazine.
No, but you told me that you're going to empty it out of the gun.
Yeah, remember.
But I just filled the thingy.
With rounds that we purchased.
So I'm going to fill it again?
No.
Explain what you said to me, because I not understand. Explain.
Scott.
Well, of course I speak Creole.
So we talk patois.
Yeah.
So
A patois, same thing.
we carry rounds with us, right? On the road, when security work, the security work. So you have to have rounds in the gun. We just purchased some upstairs.
Right.
So that you are going to clear the roads that we use to security. The ones I already have.
Okay.
So you put in the one that you into the shoot.
So that I'm just do.
No.
So okay, so how that works?
So what you see. I'm not clear.
So question. These were the ones that we purchased, correct? Right?
Yeah.
So what is the difference between these? Because this is what is in your
These are some pebbles inside there.
pebbles.
Yeah, when it's hit the body, a lot of pebbles just destroy the body.
Okay, and what is the difference with that?
That just go straight through. Sometimes it stays in the body, sometimes it just goes straight through the body.
Okay.
Not good. Good.
Oh, so this is the better one?
$1,600 for that one.
For one of these?
For one.
So this is more effective when you want to kill somebody.
All of these, yes.
Okay, alright. Alright.
This is probably about $110. 120.
Well, that's not bad.
For one of these?
Yeah.
This can, alright, so why this is not good? This can fly through the person you're shooting and hit somebody behind the person.
Oh, wow.
And that's, you can get charged for
Two people.
if you're shooting one, you wouldn't get charged for that one because he must do something wrong. But you will get charged for that one, you don't do nothing wrong.
Okay, got
This stays in the body.
and
Double.
spread out. Alright.
Same to this one.
Alright, let's go. Let me see it.
Are you?
Me? No, you're supposed to clear your rounds.
Yeah, we're gonna show you.
Yeah, but you have to go show me first. You go first. May I watch it from here, so?
No,
I don't want it too close. Alright.
okay. Here.
No, you have to do it so. I say you have to hold the phone.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, okay. Got it.
You good?
You can't stand up behind the camera like a regular somebody.
No, because I have to teach you.
Okay, alright. Ready?
Downrange. Yeah, it's all time now. Finger out the trigger.
Finger out the trigger.
Alright, that's perfect. So this is the best way to hold a firearm. Right
Like
there.
that?
This finger.
Where the grit is?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
So,
Yeah.
this arm should be like that. The grip should be like no, like that. You hold it.
Okay, so this hole here, so.
No. You're right-handed, right?
Yeah, I'm right-handed.
Okay. Take this hand out.
Okay.
This finger. No finger. Just
Right
put
here.
that there.
Okay.
Put these underneath there.
Okay.
Grip. Finger.
Oh, you guys
The
good?
finger shouldn't be in the trigger until you're ready to shoot.
Shoot. Okay.
This finger. This hand. Come. Rest right there.
I'm afraid.
Hold it.
So grip.
Alright. No.
So I'm gonna put my foot.
What?
Okay. Oh, why are you laughing?
Alright. Keep it straight.
Okay.
Always on.
Okay.
Good. Let me see. And keep really.
So it needs to be firm.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it can fly out here.
Right. Okay.
Alright. Finger up, cool. You can stand by doing this.
Just to show with foot.
Look,
do the
look,
same.
look, 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 look. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Sorry. This is so sexy.
I don't see nothing wrong.
Ready?
Don't range about that.
Okay.
Good. So, bring the weapon to you.
Okay.
The side.
Uh-huh.
Once this is lined with the back, you can see the one between.
Right. Yeah. I can see the one between, yeah.
And try it.
Okay.
Perfect. So
Alright.
you can do
Okay.
remember, you can't use your finger and trigger.
So why don't do that on TV?
That's this TV stuff.
Oh boy. I know I'm blocking it, but I'm just saying like.
Right, so right now, safety first. If you can go back to B, this is at the locking system.
You can come closer, please. I don't think it's picking up the
This is
audio.
this block. The slide is locked. So that means if you look down the chamber, there's no bullet, right? Meaning firearm is empty. If you're going back to the bay, usually on the ridge, you put the firearm
Turn into the rig.
and you just come. But remember, just all time firearm should be front.
It's light. Woo.
Okay, so this is the heavy part.
Yeah.
This is the top. Put it back together. Lock the slide. Push back the slide up. Got this empty.
Okay.
Come. Remember now.
Under here.
You put your hand,
Right.
grip, next hand, just bring it to your head. Boom. There we go. Perfect. Next hand. Office? Welcome. Thank you, bro. Real G. Look at Bidland.
Okay. Sorry.
Sorry, I said I can't sing.
Never said that.
Don't move.
Alright, so
So we're gonna go live. I am gear 1 rounds inside of the magazine, which is fully loaded right now. I'm gonna pause this until we come back, guys.
I am gear 1 rounds inside of the magazine, which is fully loaded right now. You can pause this until we come back, guys.